Okay, today we're going to review how to learn how to calculate the surface area of a rectangular prism. A rectangular prism is really just a box like a shoebox or a book or a computer like a laptop when it's closed is a rectangular prism. Anything that has shape like that in 3D. So just to show you what the shapes are, let's just use this color here to fill it in so you understand. So here's the front. That's the front of the box right there. Everyone see the front of the 3D shape. Here's the back. That's the back. So it's opposite the front. Just double the front. So that's the back side. Here is the left side of the box. And I can color this in because they don't go over each other. There's the left side and the right side colored in. So you can see the two sides there colored in on the box. Hopefully this helps you visualize for you visual learners. Here's the top of the box and here's the bottom of the box. Looks kind of like a fish tank, which, yes, a fish tank is a rectangular prism. So that's the top of the box and the bottom. Okay, so if we're going to calculate the total surface area of this, you have to learn how these numbers work. And you're going to look at here. So if I'm going to calculate the front, so just looking at this would be 6 centimeters across. And you know that the back here is 4, so this is also 4. So this orange spot here is 6 times 4. Whoops. 6 times 4. So let's write that down real quick. 6, whoops, let's make it just a little bit easier to see here. 6 times 4. But then the trick is this, that's the front, it's also the back. So you're going to times that by 2. And there you've done the front and the back. Okay, let's tack the top and the bottom. So that would be the top and that would be the bottom. So if you know this is 6 centimeters across here and this is 3 centimeters long here, 6 times 3 times 2 because there's 2 of them. That's it. So we're going to write that down. 6 times 3 times 2. That's the second part. And the third part is figuring out these silly sides. What are they? So you know this is 3 and this is 4, but there's 2 of them. So you're going to multiply it by 2 in the end. That's the key. So it's 3 times 4. 3 times 4 times 2 because there's 2 sides. And then in the end, when you get these 3 numbers, you're going to add them up. Okay, we know 6 times 4 is 24. 24 times 2 would be 48. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 times 2 is 36. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. And now if we're going to add all those up, first of all, I'm just looking at the math here. I'm looking at 36 and 24. 36 plus 4 is 40, plus 20 more is 60. So just very easily, you can just cross this out and know that this whole section is 60. 60 plus 40 is 100 plus 8. So you know your answer is going to be 108. And how you would report the answer is 108 centimeters squared. And that is how you calculate the surface area of the entire rectangular prism. Remember, a rectangular prism has 6 sides like I showed you here. Good job.